Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I am going to show you my personal portfolio website that I have created using React.js and Tailwind. Let me show you step by step. Okay, first you can see this mouse effect that I have created. It connects with the dot, and when I just click it, it spreads out. Okay, and another thing is when I hover on text, you can see a bubble effect with glowing on each text. And this text, you can see it just go up and down with a specific time, and some social media icons that I have created here with the hover effect. Okay, and a navbar with some menu and a contact me button. Let me show you by upload. Yeah, here it's about me page, and yeah, here I have how much projects I have done, that's all. And here some recent projects that I have created, that is photo gallery app. Yeah, here some 3D animation on that card, and here also you can see when you hover the this card, you can see here 3D effect is working good. And here are some skills that I have developed, you can see here. Okay, and here is a contact form that I have created. You can check it out, and you can send me message as well using this form. And yeah, here also this is working in app bar. Let me show you. When you click on skills, it directly sends you to the skills section, and when you click on about me, it sends to about you and projects, and then contact me form as well. And this website is responsive also. Let me show you. In mobile phone, you can check it out here. Yeah, this is looking in mobile phone. Yep, and let me show you in tab also. Yeah, this website is live now, so you can check it out, and you can directly send me message if you want, and you can comment it out how it is. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can tell me. And if you want to make this looking like this website, and if you also want to make your portfolio like this one, you can directly comment me. I will make a separate video then how I created this wonderful portfolio website. And if you don't like, you can just comment it out that what you didn't like in this portfolio. I will try to remove that, and if you have any idea, you can share with me. I will add it. You can check it out. It is live now, so I will provide a link in the description. You can directly check it out. And that's all in this video, and thank you so much guys, your love and support, and I try my best to provide you another info about any upcoming videos. Okay, so be ready and be safe and do coding.